All right, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moyo K, channel name. Who liked my last haul? Because I've brought another haul, winter haul edition. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the fit for today, and then for like 6 other days you guys are going to see the fit I wore for winter. It's currently 5 degrees. This is winter enough for me. I was going to wait until it was snowing, but my hands are already freezing cold, you get. So I'm just going to show you guys how I layer my clothes, and yeah, all that booze. All right, so let me just get my tripod stand so you can see the fit for today. This is fit 1. Here I have this shirt from Shein, top from Shein, trousers from Shein, shoes from I think Marks and Spencer, shoes from Marks and Spencer. And the way I basically layered it is that I have another sweater inside with this one, which is kind of thick, and then with this one just for style. I'm still going to wear my jacket on top because I need to protect my hands and my pocket. So this jacket is from, I think, Primark. Yeah. This jacket is from Primark. So I'm basically just going to wear it so I can put my hands in my pocket, and it kind of gives me like extra pad. Yeah, so fit 1. All right, and of course my African princess hair, if that's even that easy. I don't know how far this camera is, so that's it for the jacket, and that's all. That's fit number 2. I have under here, I have my black, the white, this to kind of protect my chest, and then this trouser is kind of rumpled. I don't have the time to iron, and then my boots from yesterday. So that's the outfit, and I'm going to be pairing it with this long jacket. This is my sweater weather for today. I'm still going to wear a jacket. Top from Shein, scarf from Primark, jeans from Marks and Spencer, shoes from Marks and Spencer. So today I'm not feeling too well, so this is all I could pull off, to be honest. Like I can't in like a 10% or 20% chance stress right now. So this is the outfit. Jeans and a top. In this top I have just one layer, and I'm going to wear my jacket over it. Like nothing too whatever, nothing extravagant, just basic. So yeah, that's it. So this is the outfit for today. This is the outfit for today. A skirt with top from Shein, skirt from Nigeria, Balogun Markets, shoes from Marks and Spencer, top, leggings, isn't leggings, tights from Nigeria, and yeah, I'm going to be pairing it with this jacket, but first I need to like remove my scarf. Oh. Now we're talking. Now we are talking. have like 2 other stuff because it's going to be 3 degrees today, so I have like layered 2 and layered 1, my pop shorts obviously, and the skirt. So with this jacket, let me see how it looks. Love this one. I really love it. Hi y'all. So this is the next outfit. Here is my brown jean, brown sweater. Obviously layer. This is just one single layer, and then my Michael Kors shoe. Okay, so shoes from Michael Kors, jeans from Shein, sweater from Shein, socks from Primark. And then hairstyle from me. Oh yeah, jacket. Really feeling it. This jacket makes me look very. To be honest, I don't want to go with this jacket. But from the side, it kind of looks okay. I'm not really sure. I think 1 strand down would have been better than 2 strands down. I guess I'll just go with plain gloves just in case. That brings us to the end of this haul. If you guys like it, make sure you like, share, subscribe. You know the vibe, and happy new month already, because when I upload this, I'm going to try to upload it tomorrow, which is 1st of December. So happy new month. Should I do a vlogmas like every day uploads December? No, probably not. That thought is kind of scary. Anyway, so see you guys later. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we're almost close to 2,000 subscribers, so let me not even act as if it's not getting to me. Look, just tiny it is. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. So see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.